What's up everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel. This video will be a complete Dext tutorial for beginners. Dext, formerly Receipt Bank, is a powerful tool that helps you streamline your accounting process by extracting data from your receipts, invoices, and other documents automatically. And in this video, I'm going to be walking you through all of the key features and give you a step-by-step guide to getting started and using Dext efficiently. Keep in mind that if you don't have an account yet, you can get started through the link in the description for convenience. It helps our channel out at no additional cost to you. Now let's go ahead and get started. I'm gonna start by saying, what is Dext? It's an online accounting automation tool designed to save you time on bookkeeping. It uses OCR or optical character recognition to scan receipts and invoices, extract key data, and sync it with your accounting software. This means no more manual data entry or lost receipts. Everything is stored and organized in one place. For the core functions that you might benefit from, we have receipt and invoice scanning. You can capture and extract data from physical or digital documents. Additionally, we have the expense management, as you can automatically categorize your expenses and track your spending. We also have integration, as you can seamlessly connect with popular accounting platforms like QuickBooks, Xero, and Sage. And finally, we have the reporting section, as it provides detailed reports to help you manage cash flow and monitor financial performance. Have you ever spent hours sorting through piles of receipts? You can imagine all of that tedious work that can be done automatically using a great tool such as Dext. So now that you have more information about what Dext is all about, let's go ahead and talk about how you can actually get started. Again, go ahead and use the link below this video to kickstart your free trial. When you land on this page, you will be asked to whether choose you are an accounting or a bookkeeping practice, or a business, retail, construction, florist, etc. Select the type of business that you are going for and then go ahead and input your first name, last name, email, password, and your mobile number. They will send you a verification email, so go ahead and click on that, verify your email, and then you will land on this page right here. They are going to ask you about your industry, so what is it about? You can go ahead and choose accounting and bookkeeping or whatever it is about, and then select how many people actually work in your company. If you're just getting started and it's just you, you can just select one and then click continue. Now, another important thing is that you want to select what you would like to do with Dext. This will help them set up your homepage and get you access to the features that you need. So for example, you can select one or more of these: expense management for employees, capture and store receipts, accounting and bookkeeping, etc. Select the ones that you'll require and then go ahead and select which accounting software you use for a seamless connection. If you don't use any, click I don't use any and then specify whether you have an accountant or a bookkeeper. And just like that, your homepage should be launching. From here, let's go ahead and explore Dext's dashboard and any key features that you might want to start using. When you log into your account, you will be greeted with a clean and intuitive dashboard. Here is what you need to know about the main features that will transform your bookkeeping process. Starting with the navigation panel on the left side, you will see options such as inbox, expenses, reports, and settings. This panel makes it easy to move between different functions. Next up, you have the inbox. This is where all of your captured receipts and invoices are stored. Whether you upload a photo or forward an email, it appears here automatically. And then you might view the summary metrics at the top, where you will find key metrics such as the total expenses, the number of documents processed, and pending items that need your attention. So essentially, it's like having a bird's eye view of all of your expenses and your receipts, everything you need at a glance. And this is how Dext helps you stay on top of your finances. Now, one of the most powerful features of Dext is its ability to scan and extract data from your documents. That's where we want to upload a document. You can upload them directly from your computer or use the mobile application or even send them by email. It will give you automatic data extraction, as it uses the OCR to read the details on your receipts or the invoices, such as the vendor names, supplier, dates, amounts, currency, and so on. After extraction, Dext allows you to review and edit the data if needed before saving it. This ensures the accuracy in your records. And finally, we have document categorization, as the software automatically categorizes your expenses based on the information provided, which makes your bookkeeping process much simpler. So with the basics of scanning covered, let's go ahead and move on to managing and organizing your expenses. After you have scanned your documents, the next step is to organize and manage your financial data effectively. For that, Dext automatically assigns categories to your expenses, such as office supplies, travel, or meals. You may also do some manual adjustments, so if an expense is not categorized correctly, you can easily change it, and this flexibility is key to accurate bookkeeping. For efficiency, you can select multiple documents and apply the same category or action to all of them at once. Moving on, we've got reconciling data with accounting software. Dext integrates seamlessly with popular accounting software like QuickBooks, Xero, and Sage. This means that all of your expense data can be automatically synced to your accounting system. In addition to this, we've got real-time updates, so any changes you make in Dext are reflected in your accounting software, helping you keep accurate financial records. And finally, for the reporting, we can generate detailed reports that break down your spending by category, vendor, or time period. These reports are invaluable for budgeting and financial planning. Essentially, it's like having your financial data automatically organized and synced with your accounting software. So no more manual entries or errors. Dext makes reconciling your books a breeze. With your expenses well organized, it's time to set up some additional features and integrations. Starting with customizing your Dext workspace and integrations. This platform is built to work with your existing systems. So let's explore how you can customize your workspace and connect Dext with other tools. In the settings, you can adjust the layout of your dashboard to show the metrics that matter most to you. You can customize what data is displayed, from pending receipts to total expenses. Additionally, you can set up the preferences. So under the settings tab, you can set your preferred currency, date formats, and tax settings. This helps ensure that all of your data is in the correct format for your business needs. And finally, the notifications, you can configure email and mobile notifications so that you never miss a new upload or a pending action. Now, as mentioned, connect Dext to QuickBooks, Xero, or Sage to automatically import your expense data. This integration saves you time and minimizes the errors. They also offer their mobile application, as you can download the mobile app to capture receipts anytime, anywhere. The mobile app is not to be taken lightly, as it is just as powerful as the desktop version. It allows you to scan, upload, and categorize on the go. And finally, we have the API and the custom workflows. For the more tech-savvy, Dext offers API integration to build custom workflows that suit your specific needs. This can include automating certain data entries or generating custom reports. Think about having all of your financial data in one place, working seamlessly with your favorite accounting software. With these integrations, Dext transforms how you manage your money. Now, to go through a real-life example of how you can use Dext from start to finish, essentially you open the mobile app or the dashboard, and then you go ahead and capture or upload a receipt by adding the document button. You can use your phone's camera if you're on the mobile app to capture a receipt or upload an image file from your computer. After that, you review data extraction, as Dext will automatically extract key data such as the vendor name, date, total amount, and the tax details. Review the information and make any necessary edits. After that, you select the appropriate category from the drop-down menu, such as office supplies or travel or whatever you want. You can also add some custom tags if needed. And then when you are satisfied, you click save, and the receipt is now added to your digital records. Imagine how great it is to never lose a receipt again. Each one is stored securely and is instantly available for review. This not only saves you time, but also eliminates the hassle of manual entry. Next up, you can manage your expense list. You can navigate to the inbox to see all of your uploaded receipts. Each item shows the extracted data and its assigned category. If you have multiple receipts that need the same adjustment, you can select all of them and apply a bulk action. As you can imagine, this will save you a lot of time. And finally, if you have connected Dext with your accounting system like QuickBooks, for example, you can verify that the new receipts have been synced automatically. You can see the updated totals in your integrated dashboard. And that's in essence our completed guide and review for Dext for beginners. We have covered what Dext is, how you can set up your account, exploring the dashboard, and so much more. Keep in mind that a well-organized financial system is the backbone of a successful business. Through Dext, you can save your time, reduce errors, and keep your accounting stress-free. And don't forget that you can actually get started through the link in the description if you haven't already. So go ahead, click it, and create your own free account to get started. And with that, we will have reached the end of this video. Thanks so much for watching. Definitely let us know what you think of this video by leaving a comment. If you found it to be helpful, informative to watch, give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.